Hi friends, it's Marilyn here with Stamping Creations with Marilyn, coming to you from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. I just want to share a little bit of my Stampin' Up story with you. I have been enjoying Stampin' Up products since, probably 2005, when a friend of mine got me interested in it. And I joined as a demonstrator in 2007, September of 2007. So I have been a demonstrator, enjoying the discount since then. Just loving it, loving it. My favorite part, I believe, is probably the color coordination between as the ink pads, as you can see I have there, along with all of the cardstock, ribbon, embellishments, that kind of thing. Really, really enjoy the fact that they all coordinate so well. I have an accounting background, so therefore exactness is kind of built in my makeup. So I like to know that when I grab something that color, it's going to be that color and go together well. So I really enjoy doing classes. I enjoyed all the people that I've met through Stampin' Up. And of course, now in 2021, when COVID is still keeping us under wraps kind of thing, I am doing more and more online virtually. I do weekly Facebook Lives. I am sharing them on YouTube here as well. So I just wanted to do this little snippet to share with you that, yes, I am a real person and I enjoy doing it. I hope that you'll come along and enjoy my videos as much as I enjoy doing them. And share with me your comments, your concerns. If you have any questions, be sure and reach out, and whether it's commenting here on YouTube or commenting on my Facebook page, my website. I do have Stamping Creations with Marilyn website where you can find lots and lots of samples, and I send out a weekly newsletter, and sometimes more than that if there's more things happening with Stampin' Up. So it's become a way of life for me, and I'm enjoying it and hope to enjoy it for much longer. So hopefully you'll join me. Take care.